Alright everybody, what is going on? Welcome back or welcome to the channel if you're new. Today we are checking out some more latest comebacks from this year. We have got 4 that I wanted to look at in this particular video. Still a ton of stuff. Like I said, I do plan to get to everything on my list by the end of this year. Even if I have to take a month specifically to just do a bunch of this and album reactions, you know, a bunch of singles and album reactions throughout the month to do. But either way, I'm gonna get all the ones that I personally want to check out, which I said are still a ton on this list, and we're not even halfway through the year yet. There's still a ton of stuff coming out the rest of this year. But first up, we have under their official rebrand, i-dle, Girlfriend, the official MV. Yeah, I enjoy i-dle quite a bit. I'm excited to see what they've got for their new rebranding and this new comeback. We also have, finally, Day6's latest comeback, and maybe tomorrow the MV, the single, the digital single, which I'm super excited for. We then have Tablo, I think that's how you pronounce it, Cross or XRM from BTS, Stop the Rain. I think Epic High are a hip-hop trio, Korean hip-hop trio, and so, yeah, I mean, the main reason why, honestly, I'm checking this out as I am an ARMY, and so RM putting this out, featuring on this is going to be interesting to see. Getting ready to June, I was thinking about I might do like a BTS month for June, because I am beat up my microphone again. I am a big ARMY, and I would like to revisit a bunch of their stuff, but also see a bunch of stuff that I haven't. So we'll see. I might do that for June in honor of all the members getting out of the ARMY, right, out of their enlistment. So, yeah, super excited for that. Next up, we have FTISLAND, who I have been, let me tell you something, I really want to do another marathon, too, of FTISLAND, because the videos that I watched in that one that I did before, the 3 videos, I've been obsessed with. Prey in particular, I've been obsessed with Prey. So we've got Theory of Happiness special clip. I'm very excited to see what we got with this. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Damn. Ooh. Hey. Ooh. Hey. Oh. Oh. Well, tell him. I don't give a fuck about love, cause we are i-dle. I don't give a fuck about love, cause we are i-dle. everybody say, yeah. 다시 만나준 연락은 양심도 없지 그 새끼 뻔뻔해. 설마 만날 건 아니지? 갈 거면 너 나랑 절교해. 답장은 just 쓰레기 누리 out of 안주. 하게 쿠신 he deserves it. Look at you baby, 네가 좀 봐봐. 주옥같이 예쁘잖아. 야 바보야, 전배는 아까웠지만. Dream pop the flash, let's unload it to Instagram. 맘껏 웃어. 복수해주자. Return Friday night. Just do your single life. 우린 끝내지 않아. 평생 함께하자. Hey. 그만 좀 지치자, girl. You got a better girlfriend. Okay. Hey. Let's go chasing over your head. Girlfriend better than a boyfriend. Your girlfriend better than the boyfriend. Your girlfriend better than the boyfriend. I don't give a fuck about love, 'cause we are i-dle. Okay. I don't give a fuck about love, 'cause we are i-dle. I don't give a fuck about love, 'cause we are i-dle. Dang, okay. That was short, but that was a bop. They Shout out to Pat, bro. They scared me. Yeah, bro, I'm telling you, I will not mess. I will not mess. That was, damn, that was a bop. That comeback was hard. Ah, the beat and everything. They just went crazy with that one. I'm not surprised. They ate. They ate once again. Ah, so good. So good. Just the attitudes and everything, the fits. They have the, like, superpowers or something. Was someone murdered here? I mean, yes, but what? I love the mixing on this, too, with the instruments, the instrumentation, like the background music. The backing track and the way the vocals are mixed. Very well done, too. Tell him. Tell him, i-dle. Tell him. Good stuff. All right. Maybe tomorrow. I'm excited and nervous. I'm sure you all get like that, right? When a comeback happens, especially when you're looking extremely forward to, you're like, wow, I'm starting to shake. That's, all right. Ooh. Hey. Oh. Okay. Oh, nice. Wow. Playing in the air is crazy. Not even awake. Their voices are ridiculous. Man, I don't mean to stop. I was trying to wait as long as I could to pause it, right? But Day6 is just one of those groups, man, where it doesn't matter. Anytime a song comes on, it's like constant chills throughout the whole song. Constant chills throughout the whole song. If anything, I need to pause so I could breathe and take a minute to just recoup. They're just so good, man. They're so good. Okay. Oh, the build. Here we go. Wow. Ooh. Oh. They're like orchestral sounds too. They blend so well. Wow, it's too short. It is too short. Man. Dare I? Ooh. Lyric video. Do they have a lie? They probably do. I don't know if maybe not yet. I gotta control myself. I gotta control myself. You know what though? Maybe I'll watch it again. Maybe I'll watch it again. Indulge me, if you will. Oh, there's just that heavy, like, bass, too, at the front. It just, like, resonates throughout your body. Ugh. Hey. Ugh. Sheesh. Wow. Just so good. This is going to sound selfish, probably, but I'm actually glad that all the members have served their military time. So we could just get music now. I don't have to wait. We don't have to be like, oh, man. Not that they're not, you know, I'm sure there'd be more fantastic stuff, but I'm just like, so good. So good. Okay. On to next, like I said, we have Tablo Cross RM.
Hello, rainy day.
Ooh. Oh, the bass. Wow. Hey.
Tablo. RM.
Hey. Let's go.
All in. With a losing hand. Teachers call me rebel. Parents call me lost. Pastors call me devil. Had me kneeling at the cross.
Ooh.
Since I was a youngin', I was called names and bossed around. Tapped to the wall so long. Call me Pain's poster child.
Wow.
Religious home times were different. They told me I was gifted, but to unwrap my mind was wicked. I
Ooh.
was raised by guilt, raised by shame, raised by the wrong.
Oh my god, the flows.
They claimed
Wow.
it was love, felt like heartbreak to me.
Ugh.
Later they say, baby, all your scars are to teach and remind you you can soar higher. What good's a
Wow.
bird's eye view when you're in a hunter's crossfire? Sometimes I wish that I got crushed in the womb.
Oh, these are bars, B-A-R-S bars, bro. Wow.
Turned
Wow,
to dust in
man.
the womb. My scent of youth and ungodly perfume. No wonder I've always hated the adults in the room.
Oh, RM. Ooh.
Maybe the tears will fall to wash the pain away.
Mm.
Trying to stop the rain. I know what it feels like.
Can't run away from the pain. I feel like I'm going insane.
Wow.
Bad thoughts filling up my brain. Demons swimming inside my veins.
2 seconds from falling into nothing.
Ugh.
Can't run away from the pain. I'm trying to stop the rain.
When I was a kid, I was convinced that I was destined for the 27 club. I'm 29, sinking in the bathtub, sipping
Wow.
gin, looking for another club. All the lust wasn't lust,
Jeez.
dust to dust. Stray after stable, dash it up to your dud. And every night I put my shadows on. But you know how much I hate my status quo. I know what you gotta know, my life is out of love. All the lessons learned already coming out of trust.
Keep my mind steady, but it's hard to readjust.
Ooh.
Nothing stops time, but the clock will turn to rust.
Pain and rain, this will stay the same.
Got me looking for the exit just to entertain. Pain and rain, think I'm going insane.
Gotta turn off my phone now.
Wow. I was not expecting such deep cuts, bro. What?
I feel like I'm going insane. Bad thoughts filling on my brain. Demons swimming inside my veins.
Ugh.
2 seconds from falling into nothing.
Can't run away from the pain.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
Mm.
I'm trying to stop the rain.
Ugh. Wow. Wow. You know, I was surprised. I guess I was surprised because I didn't know what I was getting into, right? For this particular thing, I didn't expect it to be this deep, but RM's solo stuff, especially from last year, a lot of it was like on a deeper level, right? A lot of deep meanings and stuff like that. Like we're looking at right now, Lost, and I forget some of the other ones. Oh yeah, Come Back to Me. Like those were pretty deep stuff, man. Yeah, this was really good. I actually like this one a lot. I didn't expect it to hit, like, to be so personal, right? And that's what it was. It was extremely personal for both these guys. You could just hear it. You could feel it. Wow, that was great. FTISLAND, Theory of Happiness. I'm excited. Hold on. Before you start, I still hold on. Let me Let me bring this up. I need to be sure, because in my head, I'm like, I want to get it right, but I always forget. FT Island. Let me see here. I know the lead singer, Honky? I'm not really sure how to pronounce it. Should we see how AI pronounces it? Let's see how AI pronounces it. Ihonki. I wonder if it is Hongi. Oh, the way it's spelled too. Hongi. Yeah, so Hongi. I think that's how you spell it. Or pronounce it, I mean. I love his voice. He has like a crazy, like, dude was born for rock type of voice, right? Like, it's so good. Yeah, I'm still really interested in seeing more from FT Island, and it looks like he also has some solo stuff too. I know he has a killing voice, I'm pretty sure, so I definitely want to check that out. Another group too people have been asking me to check out is CN Blue, so I'll definitely maybe check those out too at some point. And then of course I want to get back into End Flying. I haven't reacted to any End Flying on the channel, but I've listened to them on my own prior, and I enjoyed them too. So ton of stuff to check out. But let's get into Theory of Happiness. Like his voice is super rock, bro. Ooh, okay, comfy fits. I like it. Wow, was this from a recent concert? I hope so. Because if so, that's cool. I'm glad they're still getting some decent crowds. Hey. Okay. 잠에서 눈을 떴을 때 날 스치는 조그만 네 모습들 소중하게 생각했던 his voice, man. 모든 것들은 익숙해져 사라지고 고마운 맘도 미안한 맘도 익숙해진 채로 Was it the lead guitarist or the bass? The bass player. His voice too is so good. Hey. Okay. Woo! Ah, the wind down? Ah, yeah, so good, man. They're so good. Alright, so that is it for the end of this, I guess, little marathon we had going on here. Just... Man, FT Island are awesome, too. There's so much good music. Spoiled with how much good music there is. Man, actually, I can't believe I'm saying this, but Tablo and RM might have had my favorite thing, just because of how, like, personal it was, right? Stop the Rain. Such a personal, and, like, you could feel, but also, I don't know, maybe Tomorrow was really sad, too, lyrically, right? And I love Day6, right? i-dle, it's hard, because i-dle was banging too, girlfriend. And then, FT Island, I don't know if I could choose. We'll see, I'll have to listen to these again and get a better idea, but that is it for this particular video. Thank you guys for checking this out. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you next time. Peace.